For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. The global demand for stylish and functional swimwear continues to rise, driven by travel trends, fitness lifestyles, and social media influence. Starting a swimsuit business can be both lucrative and creatively rewarding. However, launching a brand requires smart planning, research, and consistent execution. Thanks to free AI tools, you can now minimize costs while still building a professional and scalable swimwear brand. This step-by-step guide shows you how to do exactly that. Step 1. Define your brand and target market. Start by identifying the kind of swimwear brand you want to launch. Will your focus be on high-performance sports swimsuits, trendy bikinis, inclusive sizing, or eco-friendly materials? Knowing your niche helps you stand out. Use ChatGPT, chat.openai.com, to brainstorm brand identity and customer segments. Prompt example. Act as a brand strategist. Help me define a unique swimsuit brand identity. Suggest a target audience, style direction, and core values for a modern swimwear startup. ChatGPT will assist you in identifying a niche, developing a brand personality, e.g., youthful, elegant, bold, and outlining your ideal customer profile. Step 2. Conduct market research. Understanding your competition and customer preferences is essential. Use Perplexity.ai or Google's People Also Ask and Trends tools to learn what consumers are searching for. Combine that with ChatGPT to analyze insights and summarize key findings. Prompt example. Summarize the top trends in the women's swimwear market for 2025. Include popular styles, colors, and materials. Who are the leading competitors and what makes them successful? You can also use Google Bard, now Gemini, to compare pricing strategies, sales channels, and product descriptions of leading brands. Step 3. Develop a business plan. Now that you have a concept and data, you need a plan. ChatGPT can help you generate a detailed business plan tailored to a swimwear business, including sections on startup costs, operations, and sales strategy. Prompt example. Create a simple business plan for a startup swimsuit brand targeting eco-conscious women ages 18 to 35. Include mission, products, competitive analysis, marketing strategy, and financial projections. Use Notion Free Plan to organize your business plan and collaborate if you have a co-founder or mentor. Step 4. Design your swimsuits using AI tools. You don't need to be a designer to create original swimsuit styles. Use AI-powered design platforms like Uwizard.io or Designify to mock up visual ideas. You can also use Photo AI Art Generator or Crayon to convert descriptive prompts into swimsuit visuals. Prompt example for AI Image Generator. Create a front and back view of a high-waisted two-piece swimsuit with tropical print, designed for plus-size women in pastel colors. Once you generate visuals, you can refine them with tools like Canva's AI Image Editor to make them print-ready for tech packs or factory references. Step 5. Source manufacturers and materials. Use ChatGPT or Perplexity.ai to compile a list of swimsuit manufacturers that accept low minimum order quantities, MOQs. You can also search for eco-friendly fabric suppliers that offer recycled nylon or polyester options. Prompt example. List 10 reliable swimwear manufacturers that accept small batch orders and provide fabric sourcing, labeling, and drop shipping services. This step helps you find cost-effective and ethical production partners. Step 6. Create a brand name, logo, and website. For your brand name, try nomelix.com or ask ChatGPT to suggest names based on your niche. Prompt example. Suggest 20 creative and original swimsuit brand names targeting Gen Z women. The name should be playful, short, and memorable. Use Loca.com or Canva Free to generate a professional logo. Then build a simple website using Wix, Card, or Shopify's free trial. ChatGPT can help you write your homepage, product descriptions, and About Us page. Prompt example. Write a compelling About Us page for a sustainable swimwear brand called Coral Muse. The tone should be empowering, eco-friendly, and youthful. Step 7. Develop a marketing strategy. Marketing is key to standing out in the swimsuit market. Use ChatGPT to draft a digital marketing plan that includes social media campaigns, email funnels, and influencer collaborations. Prompt example. Create a 30-day marketing plan to launch a new swimwear brand. Include content ideas for Instagram, TikTok, email newsletters, and influencer partnerships. Use Canva's free AI tools to design Instagram posts, ads, and Pinterest boards. For hashtags and SEO, use keywordtool.io or ChatGPT to generate popular and niche terms. Prompt example. Generate 30 Instagram hashtags to promote sustainable swimwear for young women who love travel and fashion. Step 8. Launch on social media and marketplaces. Use Instagram and TikTok as your primary launch platforms. Post teaser content, behind-the-scenes videos, and customer polls. Consider listing your products on Etsy, Amazon Handmade, or Depop as low-cost entry points. Use CapCut's AI video editor or InVideo to create short promotional reels. Let ChatGPT help you write captions and video scripts. Prompt example. Write a 15-second TikTok video script introducing our swimwear brand Coral Muse. The tone should be playful and visually engaging. Step 9. Test and iterate with feedback. Before mass production, launch a pre-order campaign or send samples to influencers or beta testers. Ask ChatGPT to help you write follow-up emails and feedback surveys. Prompt example. Create a customer feedback form to learn what people think about our new line of bikinis. Include questions about fit, comfort, design, and price. Use Google Forms or Typeform to collect responses. Refine your designs, sizing, or pricing based on real input. Step 10. Scale with data and automation. Once your brand gains traction, use AI tools like Zapier to automate tasks such as order processing, email replies, or social media scheduling. Use Google Analytics or Hotjar, free versions, to analyze website behavior and improve conversion rates. Prompt example for ChatGPT. Suggest ways to automate order fulfillment, customer emails, and Instagram posting for a small e-commerce swimwear brand. With the right systems, you can grow your business while keeping operations lean. Conclusion. Starting a swimsuit business no longer requires a large upfront investment or a full design team. With the help of free AI tools, you can build a modern, compelling brand from scratch, handling everything from product design to marketing with intelligence and efficiency. By following the 10 steps in this guide and using prompts to get the most from AI, you can launch a swimsuit brand that's both stylish and successful. The key is to stay creative, stay consistent, and let data and feedback guide your growth. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.